I got a Green Mountain Grill. It's my son AJ over there.
What's up?
He's gonna help me put it together. This is our first time building one of these, so I should be pretty exciting. Hope you follow along. All right, let's open this up and see what we got.
Okay.
What is this?
Assembly.
This is the assembly guide? Nice. There's probably a warranty in here as well. Owner's manual, assembly guide. Wow, there's some steps. We better hop to it. This looks like the front shelf.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop
Yeah.
these while you do that.
You're gonna pop the...
Yes.
Can you do me a favor and put this over there first? Take a break from the popping.
I didn't even pop it.
Let's take the styrofoam off. Don't break the styrofoam. There we go. Why don't you take this one for me too? Whoop, hold on, there's something in there. Aha, this is the vent.
Yeah.
We're gonna need the vent. That's the drip bucket.
Okay.
Drip bucket, right here.
It's literally
This
just
is
a
the
bucket.
vent right here. Okay, and then
We have the beautiful.
yeah, Daniel Boone. This is the grill body, and the pellet hopper. Yeah, the pellet hopper over here. All right, so what we need to do now is make some slits in the corners of the boxes, so that we can access the inside of the grill. There's some stuff in there that needs to come out. And then we're gonna flip the box over with the grill in it and the styrofoam back in there, and that'll support the body of the grill while we put the legs on. And it just makes it easier because the grill's upside down and it's being held in place by the styrofoam and the cardboard box. There you go, good job. I think that's good, kiddo.
Okay.
Nice job. Yep, we got it. Yeah, that's good. I think that's plenty. There we go. See what's inside? All right, so this looks like the shelf that goes on the side of the grill. Got some more pieces here. Here, just before I pull that, yeah, grab that. This looks like part of the inside. Got our grill grates.
Okay.
Looks like we have legs. Got those. Yeah, the wheels look really nice on those. Look at the size of these wheels, dude. Gigantic.
Wow.
That's no joke. All right, there we go. Let's get that out.
I'll just put that right here.
This box.
Probably goes with this thing.
Yeah, you can just put those together. Perfect. It's the inside of the grill. All right, so that's everything in there. Let's get this closed again, shall we? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip the box upside down to put the legs on. That's gonna help keep everything in place. This guy goes over here. I think it goes on just like that.
Okay, how are we gonna flip this thing over then?
I don't know. Ready?
Yep.
Carefully. Okay.
Lightly.
Like that.
Yeah, okay.
Now she's upside down.
Okay.
So what we realized after we had flipped the box over to install the legs is that we didn't have the hardware. The hardware was actually living in the pellet box along with probes, all of your other electrical, the warranty information, starter pellets, et cetera, et cetera. So now we have the hardware. We're ready to go. We've got the box flipped back over again, and AJ and I are gonna start assembling the grill. So this is the bottom of the grill. Yeah, so the legs go right here. AJ has a leg here, and it has a short wheel on it, which means the short wheels go next to the hopper. The bigger wheels go on the far side of the grill. There are holes in the leg and holes in the body of the grill. And you're just gonna line up the holes. You got it? You wanna put that in? Okay. So AJ has installed one of the legs, and now he's gonna put both bolts in hand tight. The grill also comes with a tool. AJ, you wanna show him the tool? Oh,
Yep.
There we go. That you can actually tighten everything down with when you're done. He's just demonstrating right now, because we're supposed to be doing hand tight, right? Hand tight.
But you can always do it like this.
Uh-huh.
You know.
There we go. And then there's another screw that goes in over here. Good deal. Now that both bolts are hand tight, AJ's gonna go in with the tool and tighten everything up nice and firm. Good? There you go, about a quarter turn past hand tight. Perfect.
Done.
Nice job.
Okay.
Well done. All right, now we gotta flip this beast over, I think. We just realized we still need to install this tray, the bottom tray here, before we flip the grill over. So I'm gonna kind of go in at an angle here and hold the tray in place while AJ uses the longer bolts that come with the hardware pack to mount the tray to the legs. Go for it, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep, all right, so that's good for now.
Okay.
Grab another large bolt and we'll do the other 3 legs. There you go, nice. Good
That's
deal.
For now.
Now we have to do these 2.
Okay.
So now we need to tip this forward, kind of like we did when we flipped it over. Ready?
Ooh, that's way heavier.
Yep, I got it. Whoop. There. Just slide it back. Holy cow, this thing's heavy.
Yeah, it's quite.
I don't know what to do. All right, we're bringing in the big guns here.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, now. There we go.
We had to get.
Got the Daniel Boone Green Mountain Grill. So AJ and I are gonna install the handle on the outside of the grill now. It came installed on the inside for shipping. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these bolts, and there's insulators that are on the bolts. There's 4 little washers. You're gonna wanna use 2 of these insulator washers on the inside, and then 2 insulator washers on the outside. AJ, you wanna hold that bolt right there?
Yeah.
And then hold the lid up. Yep, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna hand you the tool, and why don't you get those about a quarter turn past hand tight, okay?
Okay.
Right about there, good. Perfect. Got it?
Done.
Great. Look at that, nice and sturdy. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So AJ's gonna attach the chimney now, and what he's gonna do is he's gonna remove these bolts here and this insulator flange, put the flange on the chimney itself, and then attach everything back together again. Why don't you go for it, bud?
Okay.
There.
And after that, we can go in and screw it in with this thing.
Yep. There you go. That bottom bolt, nice. Okay, and then finish with the top one. Good. All right, AJ's going to install the front counter. These bolts need to come out. There's one on each side. And then we're going to install these arms, and then the table, or the counter, whatever you want to call it, gets installed onto the front of the arm. Go ahead, kiddo. Am I lined up for you?
Yep.
All right. So let's just do hand tight right now, and then we'll attach the counter, or the table, I don't know what you call it, and then we'll tighten everything up after.
Okay, sounds good. Okay.
All right, now we have to install the right arm.
Done.
Okay. All right, time to install the table. Uh-oh. Did you get that top one in first? So we went back in and tightened all the bolts. Now, if you want this counter to go down, there's these two little latches underneath. It just flips down. When you want it back up, just pull up and it clicks and locks into place. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, this side table's pretty easy. There's two little slots on the side of the grill, and you gotta run these guys into the holes. And it might take a little bit of wiggling. They're a bit tight. You just do it gently, it should slide right into place. Then AJ is gonna come around with the bar. There's like an arm, and I'm just gonna let this fall right onto it, and it just sort of locks right in place, just like that.
So we're gonna put on the drip bucket onto the drip tube. And yeah, that completes this step. So the grill comes with a safety guard. You put it in just like that. And that prevents you from getting serious injuries.
And how do you get hurt?
You get hurt by sticking your hand in the auger.
Yes, and that stops it, right?
Yep.
Nice job. Now we just got to install the Wi-Fi antenna. This will give us a better signal when connecting our phone with the grill using the app. There we go. So here's the firebox, and what we're gonna have to do now is add our starter pellets to cover the igniter. See, the auger isn't primed with any pellets, so there's really no way for the grill to ignite or start when you get one that's brand new. So go ahead, AJ, add the pellets into the firebox there. There you go. We wanna make sure that the, good. We wanna make sure that the igniter, which is this white thing right here, is covered with the pellets, just like so. Perfect. All right, see these stainless steel channels down here? This firebox needs to sit inside, just like this. Sit inside those rails, on those rails rather, just like that. Now AJ is gonna tell you what to do next.
So we're gonna take this adjuster handle and put it through this hole to connect to the firebox.
Go ahead. You're good. Keep going. A few more turns. Keep going. Perfect. Now, per Green Mountain Grill, this firebox needs to be 4 1/4 inches off the left-hand side of the grill. We're good. Perfect. Hey, AJ, can you grab me the drip pan?
Sure.
Thanks, buddy. All right, so this goes in next. Go put it at an angle so that you don't scratch your grill here. Carefully. And the side with the little hole in it, that goes on the left-hand side of the grill. And it rests up on this little ledge. And this hole right here goes right next to the heat sensor, which will give you a very accurate reading of the temperature inside the grill. So make sure you have it installed properly, and that hole is right next to that heat sensor. Great.
So I put some tape on my finger to clean up the styrofoam inside the grill.
And nice, we learned that. That's a trick that we learned from another channel. I'll link to that channel in my video description box. Now AJ's gonna go ahead and put the grill grates in. There you go, nice. They're 2 pieces, and they just fit right in these channels that are up top. Can't miss them, pretty easy. Good job, bub. Got some other goodies here for you. Got 3 temperature probes to monitor the internal temperature of whatever items you're actually grilling or smoking. This is your power supply here. So you have a nice long cord that plugs into the back of your grill, connects to this AC/DC power adapter right here. You also have, you also have a way to connect the pellet grill to a car battery, say if you're tailgating, and then this just connects to the power adapter and goes into an outlet. So that's how you power the grill, okay? Also, don't forget to register your grill. So go online and register. You get a nice book of recipes here from Green Mountain Grills, so don't lose that. Your owner's manual also, again, don't lose that, very important. Just some one sheeter here with some general warnings about operating the grill, and then of course your assembly guide, which you really don't need anymore. So there. So the grill's fully assembled now. You can see there's some residue left over from manufacturing, so I'll wipe it down before I actually grill or smoke anything with it. And in the next video that I feature with the Green Mountain pellet grill, we'll burn it in, and yeah, I'll start cooking with it. Sound good? I think my son wants to say something.
Thank you, Green Mountain Grills, for sponsoring this video and hooking up my dad with the pellet grill.
A Daniel Boone pellet grill.
Okay.
Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Again, thanks to Green Mountain Grills. And man, I can't wait to get smoking and grilling with this thing. All right, catch you next time. All right.